Hey man, let's unite.
Oh shit, 2 scavs!
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 Hey man, let's unite.
Hey guys. How that better? All right.
MTC dev again.
Bro's MTC deving it. All right. SPT developer testing profile level 69.
Everyone, I hate MTC. Do not download this fucking game. What I want to do in this community: team fight and PvP.
Team fight's pretty fun. I need to start up team fight servers again.
We'll do those in a bit. I don't want to like play the game just yet. I want to see you like dev it for a bit.
So I remember what we were doing last night. We were making the RRM system. So I'm going to work on the RRM system. But also profiles.json, launcher profile SPT developer.
Yeah.
I
I can't use macros.
Mm-mm.
That's a little. I mean, okay, that's fair, but like also general.ru.
So why would you want to use macros?
So I can hit like my reload in one click. You know what I mean?
Bro wants to hit his reload in one click.
Nah, I'm fucking with you. No, the only reason I want to use macros is for like like the jam feature.
I mean, yeah, but that you can just, the game has like built-in controls that you can do for that. You could just make it so whenever you press L, it does it, and then when you let go of L, it clears it.
Really?
Yeah,
I
dude.
didn't know that. Thank you for telling me.
Tarkov has a whole keybind system where you can set like continuous and all this other stuff. You can literally
Like binary keybinds?
yeah. Did you not know that? Have you never changed
Wow.
the Tarkov keybinds before?
No, I really haven't. I've never like changed my default settings.
Good,
on
because you're
Tarkov.
literally me. I always find it easier to just adapt to the game settings because now I know literally all of the controls by heart, and it's like really easy because now every single time they've reset
Yeah.
the settings, I don't have to do all this bad shit stuff.
I
Literally,
agree.
never.
It's just-
I actually find it so stupid. People say like, who would bind this to 4? 4 is right by my WASD keys. Why would I not do that?
Yeah, like,
Why would you
everything-
bind?
Everything should be centered around WASD.
Yeah,
On the left side of your keyboard.
the Tarkov
Anything
control.
for your right hand should either be on numpad or available on your mouse. You
Yeah.
know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Hence, like the shoulder switching, that's available on your mouse by default. You
Yeah.
get my point?
Yes,
Or
and
looking around with the free look.
I always hated people that are like, bro, change your magazine check from Alt T to M. Why would I do that?
Why would I do that?
That's so
across my
stupid.
keyboard.
I can literally,
I can only reach that with my thumb.
press Alt T while I'm moving around as fast, like 10 times faster than pressing M.
Yeah.
It's so much easier. I don't have to let go of the mouse either. Like, you know.
Up here. Let me try this real quick. Yeah, no, I'd have to either take my mouse off or I'd have to lift up my hand.
Would have to lift up his hand.
But yeah, my point being though, it's like
Tarkov controls are actually really ergonomic for what they are.
they're good as is, and if you want to change them based on like how you have your setup or whatever, that's
I mean, it makes
great.
sense. I get that. I think that people that like shit on Tarkov's controls don't understand that Tarkov's controls are really nice for what they are. They really are.
And I feel like people don't understand Tarkov controls are kind of based around a Russian keyboard as well.
Yeah, and they translate really well to American keyboards, I will say.
Yeah,
Translate
like
really
for QWERTY, like okay, for Russian it's like Yahtzee or whatever. Hold up, let me find it. Yeah, it's Ishkun or Ishken, or whatever. Ishken.
Mm.
And it's a pretty decent keyboard. I don't like it. I just like the mnemonic keyboard, which works very well.
Yes.
But physical Russian keyboards are very different compared to like English American keyboards. And people don't seem to realize that too much. Which I'm not gonna call anyone out on it, but it's just like I'd rather the point be out there.
Yeah. I still find it extremely stupid that people say like, "Yo, why would anybody use 4?" I just don't get it. I don't get it. Like, why would anybody use literally the key right by WASD to bind stuff? Hello.
Я кролик фэмбой, самое как ты думаешь?
Character XP per action, PMC kills, headshot multiplier, 2.10.
Honestly, remove the XP thing from MTC-C, in my opinion.
I'm not removing XP. There's a reason I have it still.
Why?
I multiply it because you can unlock rewards for reaching levels and getting certain amount of kills.
I see.
So you like our old last playtest, you could unlock the tracksuit if you got like 15 kills.
Huh.
Yeah. PMC stats, maximum energy. I mean, I don't think anybody cares about that. That's why I have it like turned off pretty much. Raid settings, remove key card, yes. Working insurance, no. There's no
I mean,
insurance.
inherently, though, your PMC settings are changed just because of how you have it set up.
What do you mean? What?
What?
What'd you say?
Inherently, though, you're like keybuying, so no, your PMC stats are changed because of how you have the game set up, like the recoil and whatnot.
Oh yeah. I haven't changed any of that
Inertia
yet
is-
though, so.
No, but my point is, like, inertia is directly tied to strength, though, isn't it?
No, not particularly. I'm making the raid timer times 10 instead of times 7 because, you know, I wanted to kind of have that. Or no, I make it times 0, to be fair, because why would it be... Yeah. All chance-based extracts always available.
Вон он, блядь, ебашь его!
Вон он, блядь, ебать. BTR
Ебать его.
BTR is not going to be enabled, so we don't need that. Raid startup settings,
No, I have the
difficulty.
BTR in factory.
Amount of AI, none. Deploy timer to get in the raid, 5 seconds. Scav words,
No,
bosses,
you should
save
keep the
loot after-
BTR because it'd be funny. I could pay them to shoot at my enemies for me.
Oh, that's true. You could do that, but that's not late balance. That's evil.
Yeah, that's the point.
No, that's not fun. I
I
like.
don't need balancing.
I-
If your fight is fair, your tactics suck.
I like balancing. I prefer the balancing.
Yeah, but then I have to have
Softcores.
skills. So like,
Wait, hold on. What's softcore? Dying, leaving, or whatever will count your raid status as runner. Save your stuff, but removes found in raid tag from items. Conflicts with safe exit. Safe exit allows you to leave. Well, yeah. Is there a thing that makes it so I can just, you know, if I die, it just doesn't? Okay. Softcore sets it as runner. That's fine. I'm fine with that. I just don't want people to lose their stuff. I'm gonna make it so you can't loot players.
Yeah, because you don't need to.
That's what I mean. But you can steal guns off of people, like horses and stuff.
That should
which
be
is bad.
allowed.
No, it gets really annoying. Trust me, it is really annoying. Plus, we're also gonna have respawns, so it doesn't make sense.
Tell me I can't steal someone's gun? It's Jew.
Player buying and selling, access level to flea market. You already know. Literally level 0. Base sell chance. Well, I mean, people can buy stuff off of other
What if I
players.
told you I have the Prestige one armband?
You the Prestige 1 armband?
Yeah. I just unlocked it.
Anyway, amount of offers 35. Amount of wait, is there amount of non-stackable items offers per item 5 to 45? Yeah, 20 to 45 will do. Price range 0.80 to 1.20. Yes. Repeatable quests. I don't really care about that. Should I make it so your secure container's bigger? Should I? So listen, Emils, we had the old thing where you could bind things from anywhere and literally put like anything in your special slots. But should I make it so that you can use like, you can have a bigger secure container but can't bind from it? Oh wait, you know what? That doesn't make any sense. Because why would you? Yeah, it's just extra storage. I'm not gonna do that. I will make it so you have 4 special slots though. Right? Should I do 4 special slots? You think? Let's do 3. We'll do 3 special slots with double-sized pockets.
Hey, give us like really big pockets so that way we can just fit a bunch of nades in our fucking.
I'll give you three height pockets. That's what I'm gonna do. 3 height pockets.
Like Tegila's?
Yeah.
The amount of F1 grenades I'm gonna have.
It's gonna be great. People really liked scav fights, so I am gonna make scav fights a thing. Enable access to labs, yes.
What, you just get like a random kit and you just fight?
Yeah, no, like random
That's
shitty
Sigma.
scav kit. We literally loved doing that. It was so fun. AI PMCs, well, nobody's playing with AI. I literally turned the AI off. Loot. This is really easy. Set all of the loot to 0, because if you don't have loot, then it takes about 7 times faster to load into the game. That's a common issue, is that when you're loading loot, it like fucks up everything. I'm thinking about doing the thing that I was gonna do originally with the maps, where like it would literally block off the maps and put specific spawn points down, but that is really hard to implement. So originally in MTC, there was actually the map screen only showed a certain amount of maps, and those maps literally like it was planned that you would be blocked off from the other sides of the parts, and you would only go to like the most hot combat zone, like on the other side of the map. You couldn't go there.
I just got a ready or not ad.
Chance for airdrop to appear 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0. All clothing is free. Yes. Unlock each side's apparel. Yes. Remove all prerequisites to buy clothing. Yes. I actually don't want to make it so you earn weapon skins. I want to make it so you just get achievements and you can show off, which is cool.
Yeah, you can be a
Insurance.
Sigma.
Yeah. Insurance. Minimum insurance return. Literally nobody's using insurance. Health markup. Free healing until you reach level 100. Free healing until you do more raids than 250. Weapon repair won't damage durability. Okay. Repair price markup 0.01. Completely cheap. Amount of armor skill given per point repaired 1.05. 1.10. No more random weapon damage and no more wearing durability. Traders. I don't think I need to mess with the traders. Traders are fine as is. Hideout.
Please allow me to buy stuff with knife.
Hideout. Should we do like stuff for the hideout? Should I make it so you can buy your hideout? Probably not. Or
Oh
not buy
my
your
god,
hideout.
so I just lost that entire scav raid. That's nice.
GG's. Remove backpack restrictions. Remove secure container filters. Remove in-raid restrictions. Remove movement penalties. Remove can't be dropped in raid tag. Allow pistols and prime. Allow SMGs and holster slot. Turn off weapon overheat. All items examined, including keys, and allow armored rigs with armors. Right? Do you think that's fair?
Yeah.
Because we're gonna be literally like people have been playing, and we could do like fucking. I'm not even kidding about this either. You could straight up do like 338 Lapua Pens level 10 rounds. That seems pretty fair to me. People used to wear. I'm not even kidding. People used to wear mascas, and because there was no headwear restrictions, they would put Tagilla helmets under the mascas, and it would still pen.
That's unreal.
Yeah. I'm also going to put that mod in there that makes it so you can have any headgear, and like no restrictions on headgear. Commented on your file, tell the time. People really like my mod. Yippee, thank you. Been asking you for this for a while to be in the main game. You're awesome. Thank you. People really like the tell the time mod. It's not even that big of a mod. It just displays the real life time and the raid time. Advanced modding lights. Enhance the lighting in the modding screen for better visibility and aesthetics. Ooh, I think I might do this.
Trap Wars still hasn't gotten me my insurance. That's nice.
I might add that mod because we had the menu mod because it shows all the stuff. Let's see what else we got. What did I need to do again? So wait, we got oh yeah, helmet, headset, helmet, or headwear, whatever. Less restricting headwear. 3.11. Hell yes. Allows you to wear, yeah, including removing blocks between categories in any combination. Hell yes. Oh, I just realized I don't even have Melody Monitor on. Whoopsies. There we go. Okay. User mods, yes. Less restricting headwear, right here. Boop. Alright, now we can do... I think there's a config for it that literally lets me just remove all blocks. Remove blocks earpiece. Yeah. Face shields can't be easily found code-wise, so here's some. Okay. Headwear removes block headwear. Yeah. So we want all this to... Wait, what? False? Wait, what? I'm so confused. Removes block earpiece. Removes block face cover. Removes...
Continue.
Alright, you should be able to literally wear anything under your head now.
Go on.
I don't think I want to anymore. That sounds like an ARG. It's like evil. Okay. Infinite. Oh yes. Multiplier of keycard uses and stuff. Okay. Infinite uses of keycards. Infinite uses for keys. Ammo stacks. I'm gonna make it so you can stack ammo like an insane amount because that makes sense. I think that I don't like sometimes the Tarkov has that like ammo stacking limit because it can be really annoying when you're trying to actually do stuff. There we go. Weapon misfire chance. Literally 0.01. Weapon malfunction chance 0.01. Heat factor 0. Well, I mean, there's no overheating, so it doesn't make sense. Time to load and unload magazines in raid 0.26. Time to examine an item 0.01. Time to EXP for acquiring and examining item 0 because it doesn't make sense. Item weight 0.25. We'll do 0.25.
Where's the Gila?
Player and skills. Is there a way to make it so I have max skills? Unlimited stamina, no. Should I disable fall
That's
damage?
unreal.
No. Let's not do fall damage off. Disable commando. Should I make it? Yeah, probably disable commando and SPT friend. Considering that they literally can let you spawn the fucking AGS in your inventory. Like you can just literally put the AGS in your inventory and kill people with explosive grenade rounds. I can also do disable SPT chatbots. Oh, okay. Show dev profile true. Show non-standard profile true. List all profiles false. Allow item sending. Allow items lose found in raid. Use BTR. Allow spectate free cam. Force save on death. Use inertia. Edit raid settings. Can I make it so they can edit raid settings? Just like spawns and stuff probably, right? Shared quest progression. False. Anyone can start raid. False. Background enable true, maybe? I can change the background, I know that. Yeah, images launcher. I can change this background. There is Senko background, which looks really cool. I might do the Senko background because that's awesome. I'll put a custom background eventually. Headless, NAT server. Item sending allow. Yeah, what's up? Yeah, I brushed my teeth.
What?
I brushed my teeth. I just need to get dressed. Yeah. Use inertia. Can edit raid settings. Edit. No, oh, enable transits false. Yes. And then use BTR false. Friendly fire true. Dynamic V expos false. 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 Allow spectate free cam. Should I make it so you can free cam in spectator mode? Probably true. I didn't like that you couldn't do that before. Alright. Now we have to see if everything works. So, SPT server. I haven't edited any of the base configs yet, so do keep that in mind. I also, this full auto Saiga is here now, so I don't need to add the full auto Saiga to the thing, because people could just get that. Thankfully, it shouldn't malfunction or anything, though, so now, if we're connecting to this, and then I'm just going to make a test account. Oops, test account. Yes. SPT developer. Oh, right. I know what's wrong. Development, MTC database, SPT.
Gork, is this true?
Gork, is this true? Gawk, is this true?
Grick, is this true?
Gru, is this true?
Gork.
Gork.
At Gork.
At Gork. Gork is probably a real
Gork.
AI, by the way. Like a real AI chatbot.
No, he is not an AI chatbot. He
They
is
called the
not
account
AI.
with 14k followers. You could, don't tell them that. We need to be more intense. Account, higher social status.
But Grok isn't a real AI.
Dear Neptune. Oh, yeah. Wait, who's this again? I don't know.
What is ramen sending? Jesus.
Thank you so
fuck
much. I
you.
had no idea why she let people go after saying I'm gonna keep dating Mango and like that made it okay. I tried joining their server to see what was happening. I didn't find any different. Server.
Oh, is someone here because of the Emmy drama?
No, I was reading my Twitter notifications.
Oh, really?
Nothing. It was some stuff. Oh, MTC-C default. The default profile for MTC-C. 250 million rubles, all skills maxed and flee unlocked. I also need to make, like I said, I need to make the respawn mod, then I need to work on the movement scripts, then I need to do all that, and this and that. A lot of work. I already know this is going to be the best season of MTC, though. Sure.
It probably will be because you're way more better at coding than you used to be, and you're like more, I guess, aware.
And I also literally have made respawn mods, so or like second chance
and you've
life
gotten
mods.
way more experience under your belt, so
Yeah, I have.
I hope it works. I hope it actually works out better
It
because
seems-
I feel like if it's good enough, it might change my opinion about SPT.
It
as a
probably
whole.
will. It changed a lot of people's opinions about SPT when they played
Fuck
it.
me, that's a grenade.
Should I do Bear or Yusek? Well, obviously I'm playing. No, I'm kidding. Oh, I just realized the Yusek holds the M4 by the like Magwell area on the loading screen, but he doesn't do it in the game. Weird. Well, obviously we gotta do this with the Mikael test account. Yes. Also, issue I've always had with this: there's no passwords on the accounts, so people can just need your username and then they can log in. So you need to change your username in the game, which is it's kind of sucks, but it's whatever. Okay, you have. Well, clearly the pockets don't seem to be any different. Hello. Skills. All of the skills are maxed. Do I have competitive successfully loaded? Well, I'm confused because I don't have three, like, okay, I'm not gonna ask. Let me load the preset and see if I even changed that, because I thought I did. I thought I made it so that... PMC pockets. Amount of special slots 3. First, I'm not even gonna ask. I'm not gonna ask. Alright, flea market should be completely unrestricted. It is. You shouldn't be able to use any of the SPT friends, yes. There's a VoIP, by the way, now. They added VoIP, which is really cool. So you can now VoIP in MTC, which is gonna be fucking awesome.
That's haunting.
It's gonna be awesome in practice, I'm telling you.
No, because I'm gonna scream like my worst shit I can in Russian.
Yeah,
Scary
probably,
games.
but it's gonna be amazing because now, dude, we just got VoIP. Like, we just straight up have VoIP.
Could
Hey,
you add radios?
I don't know.
Or comms?
I think there might be a mod for that. Here, I'll send you. Do you want to join me on this real quick? I'll send you the stuff.
In a bit. I'm playing like practice StarCraft right now just to do some stuff.
Okay, I'm gonna test out everything. So first things first. What do we have to test out? I have to test out like a movement. Well, not the movement, but I just need to test out the actual stuff. Let me get the full auto Saiga. So 12 automatic shotgun right there. Yes. Everything's so cheap. Oh my god. Saiga 12 full auto shotgun, linked search, AP 20 armor piercing slug. You can just stack 200 rounds of ammo. Amazing. And you shouldn't be able to overheat your gun at all. So like literally like if I let me get a rig that can support this. Tactical rigs. This supports it. By the way, level 6 armor plates. Booyah. Amazing. Booyah. I said booyah. Who, am I fucking cyborg? Yeah, suka. Dude, and then you can put on a maska, and then you can put on a comtac under the maska, and then under the maska, you can put on a welding mask. Beautiful. Also, if I'm correct, I think I should be able to do... I'm streaming!
What?
I'm streaming!
Okay.
I literally, every single time everybody joins, I always have to yell at them that I'm streaming.
I'm gonna call you a slur.
Yeah, because
no.
people like snow.
Yeah, no, you know I don't stream with snow anymore, right? Because I...
What?
Yeah, I don't stream with snow anymore because last time that I streamed in his server, I got banned for like 2 months.
Ooh. Well, I'm guessing because of Smiley.
Because of lit.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, I gotta do my signature kit. Dude, oh my god, I'm so happy that I can do this again. So, I always had a signature loadout, every single time that I played MT. I want to show you this real quick, though. Look at this heat. This is what I always used to look like. Yeah, I saw.
Check Discord.
I saw.
But like not on stream.
I saw. Look.
Yeah. You know what? Send me that. Send me MTC files. Alright, I'll play with you.
Okay, you just need to install this. Specifically this, by the way.
No, nothing else.
Yep, nothing else. And then, oh yeah, connect to the Radmin.
How much storage will MTC take?
Put this in Radmin. Literally no password. I'll just accept you. It's pretty. And then you can just connect. It's you know how to connect to a Fika server. I mean.
Yeah, no, I just need Radmin real quick.
But no, that's so. I always use that loadout. It's absolutely heat. I'm also gonna put headset info in there too. It's whenever I get the chance.
Awesome.
Awesome. My loadout though. Do you see how heat my loadout is? Oh.
I'll show you a fucking loadout, bro. I'll show you the green man. I'll show you what I call the green man.
The green man. I used to have a loadout called what is it, like anti-thermal meta, and literally I would just throw down smoke grenades and then I would shoot flares, and neither
you gotta teach
thermals.
me how to get this to work.
Oh, it's really, you just put it into BepInEx plugins and then you just connect to the server. It's that easy. Like, I'm not even kidding.
I don't have BepInEx.
It comes with SPC, sir.
I don't have SPT.
How big is MTC's files?
It's
Like
it's Tarkov with a few megabytes.
Which SPT do I need to install?
The latest.
Okay, download installer.
Ooh, yeah, look at that. Level 6 helmet.
It's not gonna like clone Tarkov, right?
Have you never played SPT, King?
No, actually.
SPT makes a copy of Tarkov's files, then allows you to play it with mods. That's literally the whole thing.
I don't have the space for another copy of Tarkov, bro.
You can delete. Here's what you can do. You can delete the original Tarkov's Escape from Tarkov data. You just have to free up space for, you know.
Oh wait, no, I have like 65 gigs of space.
Oh, that's
work?
yeah, that's enough space. Tarkov's like 60 gigs.
No, it's like 40, I think.
No, it's like 60.
Isn't it?
It's like 60 now.
I'm going
That was what the files.
Oh, that's so heat, dude. I'm actually missed this. Like, I genuinely miss being able to make these kits. Look at how good that looks.
Hold up. EFT.
If I saw that, I would shit my
Properties.
pants. People are always
Oh,
like,
yeah, no, it's like 55 gigs, dude. What the fuck?
yeah. It's because all the new updates.
Ah! That's disgusting.
Fruit.
That is disgusting that it's like 55 gigs, bro.
Do you see that absolutely
That's
heat
like-
loadout though?
Yeah, I'm gonna one-up it instantly.
Okay, bro. No, you're not.
Trust me.
It's the best loadout on earth. You can't one off that.
Oh, I can. And I will. I'll show you what I call the multicam man.
The multicam man.
Oh, it gets good.
I'm gonna put a slick under this. Oh yeah, slick under that, and then I need to get the cult. Oh, the cult's jacket looks like absolute dog shit. Of course.
What if I stack like a 6B43 and I stack like an IOTV vest on it?
What did
Level
I?
30 protection.
Oh, I always used to use the. Oh, I forgot about the Bear Instructor. I forgot that they have all the new shirts and stuff. Oh, they look so cool. See, I always
You're
listen.
about to see the green man.
Listen, I like the tracksuit, but I think that it's really like, eh. Like I can use it, but I just don't really think it doesn't look too good with some stuff. You get a good loadout, right? With like the Bear like Instructor, the G99, the Contractor, and Black Links and stuff. That shit looks awesome. I always used to use the MGS Black because it just looks so fire. Yeah, we're doing you were doing a USAC urban responder.
Reed, check Discord. Should I kill this guy?
Hold on, let me look. Yeah, you should.
F5.
USEC Vector goes kind of hard. Bear Instructor goes definitely the hardest, though, I'm going to say. Here,
There you go.
look at my full kit. So fire.
He,
And then I'm going to test out the thing in the shooting range real quick. Yo, by the way, Liquid Death Tea actually is not that bad.
they got a holographic girl outside of this fucking club shaking ass.
By the way, Liquid Death, I don't know what it is about Liquid Death. They make a lot of stuff.
Yeah, dude.
They make a lot of stuff. Oh, holy no footstep sounds. Holy no footstep sounds. I literally cannot hear footsteps at all. Awesome. What the fuck? Oh, I accidentally leveled up the bot reload skill, so you can reload in like 2 seconds.
Oh my god.
That explains why I can't hear anything.
It's 300 gigabytes.
Bro, hey, don't make a profile yet. Don't connect to it or make a profile or anything yet. Because, dude, I didn't realize, but I accidentally made it so I have bot reload up, the bot reload skill. Do you know what bot reload is?
What does that mean?
It's the skill that bosses use for their reloads, which makes it so they can reload in literally a half a second.
Keep that on.
No, bro, I'm not keeping that on. It's actually extremely unbalanced.
Okay, select folder.
I'm gonna turn that off. I need to fix that.
I
real quick.
cannot install it in downloads. Fuck.
Yeah, you can only install it in C SPT. That's what I always do.
Well, I don't have an SPT folder.
You make one. You make an SPT folder.
I'll put it in my desktop. SPT.
What do I do?
What do I do?
You can find me.
It seems you're installing it to a folder desktop. I don't give a fuck.
No, you have to install it in your C drive or something because it literally
That's where my C drive is.
on the desktop.
Yeah.
No, bro, you put it in C SPT in your file.
bro.
Me when I'm a dumb stupid idiot.
I know
I
exactly
hate
what
your
you're gonna say.
family. Alright, here, I'll go to my C drive. Hold up. SP fart. SPT.
You can name it literally anything too. So, I mean, as long as you're
FICA pooping farting.
FICA pooping farting.
Yeah, I can do it. My right.
Hey. Whoa. Hey, that's a not good thing to say, bro. Whoa.
Yo, guys, y'all think like Stalin and Hitler would just settle their differences in like Tarkov, like a Tarkov 1v1?
What the fuck, bro?
Think about it though. They'd use like FICA and shit.
FICA.
Yeah.
It's called FICA, you dumb chud.
I don't speak English very well. I hope you understand this. You know this, dude. It's not my first language.
I don't think FICA is even an English word. I think it's like
Yeah, it's just like kind of an attempt at pronunciation.
no. I think that
To be
FICA
fair,
means like coffee in another language.
You do understand English isn't my first language.
yeah.
It's not
but if you're-
English.
Yeah, it's not English. It's.
I know that you speak Albanian and Russian.
It really depends on whatever area you're from and shit. Like it depends.
Bro
how you will
says it
pronounce
depends on how you pronounce it.
Lolicons are pedophiles.
What?
Thank you. We're on train.
Oh, you
I don't
said
think we should say either of those words.
lolicons are pedophiles? That's true.
YouTubers as soon as they build the totem farm.
Okay, I think I fixed it now. So anyway, one, you should reload mags extremely fast in raid, and I mean extremely fast. So that's good.
I'm gonna make like several loadouts, and I'm not gonna go based on armor. I'm gonna go based on drip. I'm gonna go based on drip. All right, I'm installing SPT right now. Give me a bit.
I mean, do you know that's what most people do, right? Is they just go based on drip.
All the Ukrainians in Bakhmut be like, I can't leave.
They faces kill me. Why nobody
What?
give a
I
fuck?
can't punch him in this.
I don't know why this issue is persisting, but whenever you exit the game with the generator on, for some reason it completely depletes it. I need to remake the recoil configs for sure. I don't like the way that this gun...
Alright, it's gonna take a minute to install, so give me a bit.
Okay, I'm gonna make my meta gun first then. Checking my head to the wall, and I'm starting to suspect you didn't do anything at all.
Oh fucking. This guy. Oh, nice fella. I had to fucking pay to go into a sex doll place in Cyberpunk 2077.
Why do you
Thank
want to
you.
go there?
Thank you, CD Projekt Red.
Why do you want to go there?
I don't want to go there. It's needed for story progression, dog. I don't have to do shit. I just have to be like, fuck you, safe word. And I have to pay him off.
Bro's a Diddy blood?
You can literally see. He's like, I know you're dying. And the first dialogue option I get, safe word, samurai. This game is peak. Dude, I'm literally like, I can't punch anyone. I want to fucking beat someone dead. I have a bloodthirst. I have a bloodlust that cannot be satiated. Fuck. Oh man, I'm being shot. Shit. What? Hi, Tom. My fucking god. There we go.
Where's the scared blood?
Dude, I just fucking ran into this VIP lounge and they started opening fire on me. Idiot. that person that I sent the fucking the thug hunter that gift to, she responded, idiot.
Who was it?
I'll just send you the fucking whole screenshot.
Just tell me who it was, Ramen. Now.
I said words.
Tell me who it was, Ramen, right now. I mean, who really needs fucking suppressors? 2BH? Ugliest.
Oh, no.
I'm gonna say ugly meta garbage, but it works. Scar X17 meta. Boom. Find parts. Type any. Remember selected filter or type players. My apartment. She's never getting back. Hell yeah. Boop. And then now I can do.
I'm gonna be honest. So we had a choice of like 2 different people, and I accidentally chose a guy. So now my V is a bisexual king.
Was a bisexual king.
Tom, please shut the fuck up. Let me. Oh my god. Hi everybody. Yeah, they just immediately opened fire on me. Hello everybody.
Yeah, okay.
Hello,
absolute
everybody. My name is
heat
V.
Gun. Ooh. Oh yeah.
Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. I have to kill these people with my fists. I'm gonna die, dude. I'm actually gonna fucking die. Yep, I'm dead. Triticon Biology Pat God. Or, sorry, Triticon Biology Balakla. Balakaga Kagla Saltmod. I love that name. If I have to redo this entire fucking scene, I'm actually gonna like. The loading times. Please don't make me have to. Oh shit. I swear. God damn it! God damn it! Just had a drop. Bro, no fucking way. My checkpoint is. Redo this entire.
Oh.
Yeah, I have to redo this entire fucking section because
Um.
the singular checkpoint I got was on the part where I immediately went into combat. Thank you, CD Projekt Red. I love Cyberpunk. Oh, I remember this autosave. I want to kill this guy again.
What game is this? This is Escape from Tarkov.
Character. That's reflexes. I need to. You know, here's something.
Oh.
Canonically in Cyberpunk 2077, there's a device that captures all your fucking like senses, right, and basically records them, and you can play it back. But like, to think, it's very useful for like getting information, right?
Yeah.
But the thing is, it's mainly used for gooning.
That makes
Like,
sense.
no fucking joke. That's like canonically. Why?
I mean, that makes sense. Yeah.
Fair, yeah.
That's literally what
It's called a
people
brain
do. Is
dance, basically.
they would just use it to goon literally all the time. That's.
Yeah. Yes. I love jacking in a public place.
What? Soy jacking? Are you soy jacking in a public place?
No, I'm putting my wire into a
Archive.
fucking port.
The
Putting my wire into a port in this fucking. If you're unable to handle, shut the fuck up.
Tarkov. The
Okay,
game lets you
Afterlife for
spend...
Samurai again. Read.
Ramen, dog. Tarkov, the game that lets you spend 30 minutes looting that is just and then erases your soul in 3 seconds. Yeah, pretty much.
Basically. Cue the rabbit dog sound, please.
Okay. Anyway, what were you saying, Ramen?
Afterlife or Samurai?
I don't know, samurai.
Okay, cool.
Okay, I need to do the thing. So if the player everybody's like yelling anxiety, you gotta leave rich or barefoot with a bleeding spleen. True. Kill the player and put it in spectator mode. Can I? Is there a? After you usually run, I always do chill scav run on interchange, and I'm hiding in a bush. Wondering if that player here was really just trauma echoes. Usually I do factory, honestly. I prefer factory over any other map. It's just small, runs well too.
Johnny Silverhand's the best character in Cyberpunk.
Sick. Okay, I'm gonna have to make another thing for this then. Patches, abstract game, VoIP, local game, debug, player patches. Oh, player patches. Player on dead patch. Yeah, so on dead instructions, type of name player on dead. So hit target method, player method on dead. Yeah, so deciding which you display is a psychological horror with extra steps and a loot goblin and truth nuke. Player respawn patch. So let's make the player underscore respawn patch. Pika patch. Pika patch. Yeah. Yes, so we're gonna do active health controller. we talk about the audio, it's either eerily silent or suddenly I hear a guy doing a full sprint belly and wood through the wall above me and I still get shot through a wall. That is true. That is really true. Literally just true. Yeah. The audio is really bad. I'm glad that they finally fix it. At least a little bit. But it is still, yeah, it's bad.
Mediocre.
I mean, they did it. They fixed it a tiny bit, but you know, it's just
What the fuck?
what?
I am getting. I paused the game and all, but like, I was getting 200 frames per second. I know it's just the fucking menu, but like, still, that's insane. So technically, I can get 200 FPS in Cyberpunk.
Really teaches you trust issues. 1 second you're looting happily, next second it was, what is that bitch breathing? Truth.
Do you think woods would make my computer explode? Rude.
Hold on.
Shujikon Biology Balaclava Sop Mod.
What do you play other than Tarkov? Stalker a little bit. I play a little bit of Stalker.
Missing.
Roblox. Yeah, what's up?
That'd be really funny.
Hmm.
If you made it so like you could have a butterfly knife in the game, so in that way whenever I snipe you, I can just hit that.
Oh my
and
god,
inspect
that would be great. I know SSH was making a butterfly knife mod, but he last showed me that like 3 months.
Dude,
or
it's that way
a
I
year
can
ago.
hit like a gamma Doppler, like show it
Yeah.
off.
Add emote or no,
I wanna make a clip
wait.
where, like I miss all my shots on you, and then I just like turn away, and it's like a slow CS edit.
Should I make it so you start with prestige 2 so you can do the OK symbol whenever you kill me?
Yeah.
I'll do that. I'm adding respawns right now. Give me 2 seconds. So I'm gonna actually update it.
Hold up.
Stalker's one of those
Yeah,
games
watch
that lives
this
in your head
video.
rent free. The zone's not just a setting, it's a whole vibe. Truth.
It is. It's a vibe. Yeah. Hey, watch this. Oh no, that's the wrong video. Why is it? Yeah, hold up. There we go.
Let me see. Whoa! Bro, this is heat!
Box stores don't offer the best value.
Box
Good luck on
stores
the
don't
stream, it's so
offer...
good.
Box
You'll
stores
get
don't...
the best of both
Yeah,
worlds.
bro, look.
Great value and great service.
Oh, I know another one. I know another really good one.
Yo! Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh my god, he's hitting it. Yo! Wait, I gotta see this, hold on.
It's so good.
It is, it is.
I'm gonna make a frag movie of me like missing all my shots on you, and then it's gonna turn away with me like holding the kukri.
I still remember the first time I wandered into... Yeah, you... This is the second time... Yeah.
I love these. I love these so much.
I love it.
What did I do?
How do I make it so the player spawns at a random spawn point? Do you think?
I don't remember.
Should I-
Here's an idea.
Should I make it so you have a limited amount of respawns?
No, just go into Tarkov, like, you know, like the code where it says where like it just chooses you like a random spawn for your raid.
Yeah,
Just copy and paste that.
probably. I could just do that. Let me find, I know there's spawn point stuff in here, actually. I'll just do that. Co-op handler, spawn queue, private queue. Contains all players to spawn, list of all, yeah, so I want spawn. Spawn player profile is null. Wait, choose, is there a choose spawn? Or like spawn, random spawn. Using random spawn points. Yes, so this is it. Create spawn system. Create from scene. Spawn safe distance, yes. Client spawn position is this. Okay, so it's just gonna get a random one, right? Oh, spawn system that select spawn point is literally a thing. Can I private void? Can I make this public? I'm gonna make this public real quick. So this can be access way. Variable is special is never used. Okay, well I don't care about that. Co-op game dot spawn or choose spawn point. Wait, what is it? What is it again? Create spawn system. Right? Because they can do that. So using fika.core.coop
But my crosshair was on him.
that game mode. Co-op game dot an object reference is required. Wait, how do I fix this again? Let me quick fix this. Fix using Copilot. Let's do that. Co-op game dot is instance dot create spawn system. Okay. If not is server, client spawn position equals, select spawn point, yeah. Oh, select spawn point is a function. Okay, I see how this works now. Select spawn
It's almost
system.
done.
Okay, hold on a sec. Select spawn point, select player. Oh, it's an actual class.
There's a big black individual chasing me.
Oh, okay. I just realized it is an actual class. Okay. So it's, I can just do spawn system dot create spawn point. So spawn system class dot select spawn. Is that a thing? No. What is it again? How do I do this? Spawn system equals public spawn system. Okay. So co-op game dot instance dot select spawn. Wait. Spawn system dot select spawn point profile ID, right? No. EFT game dot spawn category. Okay, so select spawn point spawn category dot player. So spawn category dot player. Profile info 0 dot side. Okay, here I'm just gonna copy paste this.
Oh my god, I just got one of your shorts.
Oh my god.
Rage.
Profile equals player. Is it literally a thing? Player dot profile. Okay. Profile.
I'm gonna have one of these lit moments, I swear.
Profile. It's like
You're gonna
spawn
have to
point.
put me in which whenever I have a lit moment.
Wait, hold on. Infiltration point is null or empty. Okay, wait, so spawn point equals select spawn point. Okay. Spawn point does not exist in the current context. Spawn point is I spawn point.
And I think Snow's ignoring me. That's nice.
Yeah, of course he is.
I didn't even do nothing to him, bruh.
I'm going to look at the original code for the Zerashi mod, or Zerashi thing. I literally had a thing. Hold on, wait, I'm stupid. Real knockdown. Yeah, this isn't a fork. Okay, I'm just gonna search up Boogle's thing. Boogle's fine with me using this stuff, I'm pretty sure, because I know Boogle, like, we've done some projects together, so. He actually has an old PKO6 mod. I'm gonna have to get that. Zerashi training mod. Patches, kill patch. So how does he do his thing? Player was on location. Teleport to start a bridge. Helper methods. Teleport to start a bridge. Okay. Vector 3 bridge position. Player.transform.position. Okay, so I just need to do player.transform.position equals spawn point position. Rotation equals rotation. There we go. Okay, I think this works. I think I made it so that players will respawn now. Let me just, player underscore, let me look at player underscore on dead underscore patch. Okay, so that's enabled, right? So Fika or player patches has mark of unknown patch. I think that works. I think that's how I needed. Yeah. Prefix. Okay. Player respawn patch. Okay. I'm gonna. Don't put in the SPT Fika thing yet because I have to build it so that it has the respawns. And I'm gonna test it out in game. And then we gotta see if it works, you know. That's how I'm so cool that I actually made respawn. That's so cool. Visual Studio encountered a problem. Server, wait, what? Server packet sender? Might have an issue. Wait, do not, wait. Hold on, wait. What was it? Server packet sender? Yeah, that's server packet sender. Oh, it's fine. Why is it? Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Player respawn patch. Stops players from dying and respawns them. Yeah. Build. Solution. One succeeded. And now it should work. No idea. I'm going to test it out with you, Emils. You're my little guinea pig, Emils. Unexpected error. Requested user map section open. Wait, what? Oh, I see. I had Tarkov open. Hey, here. Download this, Emils. Let me see. Dude, it's a 1 megabyte file. What are you doing? What are you, a chud?
You stupid!
Alright.
I'm not
You're...
gonna say.
Are you... Did you request to join the Radman yet?
No, because I'm still installing SPT!
Are you still installing SPT? How are you still installing SPT? Isn't it mostly local? What part are you on? Patching?
I'm on mid.
Whatever that means. I gotta go soon, by the way, to my dad's, but I can keep doing it.
Strategic. Yo. Yo.
Hmm.
Yo.
Yo, what? Should... Mass amounts.
Strategic and word we save in progress.
Mass amounts. Oh, I need to limit how many RGOs and stuff you can have in the game too. I forgot. Since this is supposed to be like competitive, we limit the amount of RGOs and stuff you can have. RGNs, RGOs. Together, random. Let's do random spawns. Just like test it out. Random spawns. Do start and. If you die now, it should do that thing where you respawn instead.
Why do I have to play SPT?
You literally asked. I was gonna do most of the solo. You literally asked to play.
I just wanted to play Tarkov.
Start the raid. After clicking, additional players will not be able to join. Yes. I'm sorry, but that crying that you're doing, I hate to say it, but it sounds like one of the dudes on like a pedo catcher video, and he's like crying about being caught.
Yeah, no, that's who I'm imitating.
I knew it. I fucking knew it. I knew I heard that cry somewhere before. Oh yes, the respawns work.
I got my ribs just broken right now.
The respawns work, but it doesn't say the death message still. I know what the issue is.
Gooby Snoopy never use Google Translate again.
My dad's gonna be here in 20 minutes, so I'm gonna hurry up and finish this up.
Oh, we're not even gonna be able to play?
No, we can play. It's just I'm gonna be at my dad's.
Oh, so you know no streaming?
No streaming, no.
Oh, I can do something really funny then.
I'm scared. Guys, get me out of here. Get me out of here. He's gonna be freaky. He's gonna be freaky. He's a freak. He's a freaky. I have a friend named Eid, right? And they said that they were like, bro, I'm literally a freak, and I said, freak? Freak?
Oh hell no! Put my shit back, bruh. Oh hell no! Put my shit back, bruh.
I find I'm gonna be so serious, by the way. I genuinely don't understand. Tarkov literally, I'm listen to this. Tarkov has methods in their code literally called restore full health and do painkiller.
Yeah.
And they work. They work. I'm being dead ass. They actually work. So restore full health and do painkiller on spawn, okay?
Check what my shit gonna be here, bro.
Can I do for each body part in this do
Sigma boy, Sigma boy.
enum for E body part and enum get val. Oh yeah, I have to use EFT health system and then quick fix using systems. Oh, that makes sense. Okay. So now it should restore all of your HP when you respawn now.
Copying client files, wonderful. It's copying client files. Oh my god, this is a virus, bro. Why'd you make me install one?
It's a virus, bro.
There's so many
Oh,
viruses.
MG, it is breaking your game, bro.
Bro, my computer.
Oh my god, he's dying.
Missing in action just made me install a virus. Oh my god. Google. Okay, yeah, Google's just out. That's nice. Can't even track my packages.
Can I display, like, death notification? Wait. Died. Or literally just died. Died event, killed by local player, died task, group member died. Yeah, that. Group member died on dead. If Fika. Oh, display warning notif. Yeah, so if damage type not equals undefined. So we'll do if not observed on dead. Wait, I'm so confused. Observed co-op player on dead. On dead. Base on dead. Yeah, what's up? Okay, he said he's. Yeah, I know. I'm not gonna make him wait. He's here in like 20 minutes, so I was about to get off anyway. Okay. Good time. Yep. Thank you. Bye. Love you. Huh?
Do you have a key?
I think.
If you don't, just make sure when you leave that the door handle at the bottom is locked if you can't lock it up.
Okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna get off for tonight. And I'll be back probably, yes, Sunday. Alright, see you guys.